Welcome to Campers RV Center, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside kitchen sink, LED exterior lighting, quad slides, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, backup camera ready, outside kitchen TV, heated enclosed underbelly, outside kitchen refrigerator, freestanding table with chairs, bathroom toilet, sink covers, bedroom television, solid surface kitchen countertops, king-size bed, bedside power outlets, residential refrigerator with ice maker, living room fireplace, dual lights over headboard, 3-burner cooktop, L-shaped kitchen counter with 2 stools, ceiling fan, bathroom sink, oven, bath and a half, large counter area, LED interior lighting, roller shade window coverings, washer and dryer prepped, large shower with corner seat, underbed storage, ice machine, microwave, battery disconnect, trifold sofa sleeper, and much more. For more than 30 years, Campers RV Center has been helping our friends and neighbors find the perfect RV for their adventures. Our staff of knowledgeable and friendly RV enthusiasts is focused on fulfilling your dreams so you can take home the RV that is just right for you. We also have a wide variety of financing options to meet almost every customer's needs. So come see us today. Campers RV Center. The fun life starts here.